In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. And by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Now click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and hit Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your first password will appear over here. Now to add any other one from those settings, hit this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input any website at the top, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!